Let me show you how to remove watermark on image in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, duplicate the layer. Go to Select menu and choose Color Range. Select the highlights fuzziness is 0 and range is 255 and then OK. Again, go to Select menu, choose Modify and Expand. Expand by 20 pixels and then OK. Now select Quick Selection tool and remove extra selected area. Go to Edit and select Fill. Select the Content Aware and then OK. Now deselect the selected area. That's it, watermark is removed. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.